Hello people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Darsh Joshi. I'm a BTech Computer Science and Engineering graduate and I'm currently working as a developer at a company. In today's video, we'll be setting up MySQL because it's open source, and I'll share my laptop screen in a second. Here we go. So this is my channel and a lot of you have not subscribed to it. I'm not sure why. I'm trying to make as good content as I can. But anyways, we have one course out already. It's called Python for Absolute Beginners. We have another course out which I forgot to add as a course, which is Oops in Python. Very important part of development, but yeah. And we have 44 subscribers so far, which is a good number in my opinion. Okay, my mom commented heart on my video. Feels great. Thanks, mom. Yeah, we have 44 subscribers so far in 25 videos, which is a great number in my opinion. But there's a lot more to go. Let's start with the content of today's video, which is setting up MySQL. There are two things which we need to install, which is the community server and the Workbench. Because I've downloaded both already, I'll not be downloading them. I'll be providing these links in the description. You can download your set of things from there. This is what we have to download, and I've already downloaded that. So let's go on with installation. First, I'll be installing MySQL, and some call it MySQL, some call it MySQL. You can call it whatever you want. So on this tab, you have to select typical. When you go with typical, it's basically the base setup for MySQL server. And now we wait. And it's almost done. So I think it's good time to start with the Workbench. I think we need to configure some things as well before we do so. Come here, you'll see this server configurator. Click next. And keeping this as a default location, you can choose whatever you want. My bad. You go next and next again. In this, you have to provide a password for the MySQL server. For now, my password is something. It's weak, of course. Let's say you can put whatever password you want there. Then click next, and execute. Wait for it to complete. Then we'll move on to the next step. And done. Let's move to the next step, which is finishing the install. And it's done. Next thing we'll be installing is the Workbench. Workbench is a UI which we can use to basically use our MySQL server. Go with next, and then click on install. Then you'll have to wait for a second or something. And yeah, let's wait and see what happens. And that's done. Let's finish this and it would launch the Workbench. Now what we have to do is click here, then it will ask for the password. Just put the password which you just chose. I'm saving the password because I'll be accessing it a lot more often. Yeah, with that, it's done. This is what we get. Now let's run some quick queries so that we know it's running perfectly fine. So for now, let's run this sample query which we have and run this. Okay. Okay, never mind. I started again. It crashed for some reason. What we have to do is press Ctrl plus Enter to run the query. Try that. Okay. Here is what the result which we are getting. It is hello world. And as it is, I think we can zoom it somehow. Never mind, I'll try to zoom it in the next video. Yeah, that's basically how we set up MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server on your local device, or maybe your server as well, whatever fits your use case. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. 1 second before that. In the next video, we'll be covering these topics: keywords, data types, operators, and statements as well. Yeah, stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.